I still remember that moment. They all looked so damn happy to me, and I couldn't stop to ask myself, wondering why couldn't I look like that? It was right then that I started thinking about Thomas Jefferson on the Declaration of Independence and the past about our right to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. And I remember thinking, how did he know to put the pursuit past in there? That we can only pursue and maybe we can actually never have it. No matter what, how did he know that?